Class 8, welcome back to the Moral Science class. Open your virtue book, page number 1, A Boatsman Encounter with God. Last day we completed this chapter, this story, who was Kevat, who was Rama, and what he explained, what he want, and as an arbiter, Rama could cross the ocean, the mortal from mortal life to immortal life. He was not at all a simple person. He was the reformer of God, and we have discussed about that moral. True devotion does not get disprinted nor elated or satisfied with monetary gains. So, from material love to immaterial love, immortal love, we have completed. Now come to the class walk. First, you will do learn by heart from page number 6. Open your book, point it, write it, class walk. Enrich your vocabulary means all the word meanings you have to learn by heart. There are 6 word meaning you have to learn. Now come to the question and answer. Open your book. I have written here. You can write it in your book or you can write in the interleaf copy. I don't have problem. But I think so. What problem I have faced when I started in writing in the book, I couldn't complete in a rhyme. So it is a wise decision to take the interleaf copy for writing. So I go through with the question number 1. Why was Rama waiting for at the bank of river Saryu? Rama took a bath in river Saryu and waited for a boatman to take them across the river so that they could proceed farther. I am showing it nicely. Please go through and write the answer. I am holding here. It is better I am holding this way. I hope you can see the full question. I am holding this. This is river, which I cannot see. This is river. Okay, now I will show you the next question answer in the copy so that you can write nicely. First, I will read out the question. You will follow it and then you complete it. Question number 2, page number 7. Mind it, page number 7. Question number 2. You take out your interleaf copy and I am holding it right nicely. First is, why did Kevat refer to Lord Rama as a boatman? As a boatman. Kevat used this philosophical word, which one? That is the arbiter word, to express that Rama was a special personality. He helped the people to across this world of trials and tears to the other bank of bliss and mirth. Means he was a reformer of God and only he could make a person to cross the river of sansara, from mortal world to immortal world. You can write this also. I will give you marks. He could make a person to cross from mortal world to immortal world, from darkness to light. Okay, now turn the page. Question number 3. What was the story of Ahalya? You know, children, Ahalya was a special woman. He was a wife of Gautam Seth. She had turned into a rock as a result of curse by her husband. But the Rama brought her back to life after I have by mistake I have written 2 times. Don't repeat it. Only one time you have to write after. Sorry for this mistake. After touching the rock with his holy foot. I am holding this answer. Now, come to the third question. What did the boatman ask Rama for in place of money and why? What did the boatman ask Rama for in place of money and why? The boatman recognized that Lord Rama was not a simple person. He was the arbiter, and boatman that believed Rama. Then start from next. He wanted to offer his worship to Rama so that he could able to cross the ocean of the mortal world. So the boatman wanted Rama's blessings. Instead of money, he wanted the ring from Lord Rama. Okay, children, are you able to see? I hope you are able to see. Now the homework. What is the moral of the story? This is a very simple page number 6. At the end of the story, there is a moral in red ink. It is written. You just copied it in your interleaf notebook. So from question number 2, again I repeat. I am holding. You please go through and write nicely. I am holding the answer. I hope you can finish. Now turn the page. This is number 3. Answer number 3. Answer number 3. I'm making in a close way. Zoom it. I hope you can write. This is answer number 3. I'm holding again. This is answer number 3. Answer number 3. Thank you. Now last answer. Answer number 4. Answer number 4. Answer number 4. Answer number 4. Here is the part, the first part. And now again, this is the last part. This is the last part. This is the last part of the answer. So children, your first this part has finished, completed the chapter, and we have done what we have done. We have done word meaning. Again I am showing this question answered. Again I repeat it. Rama took a bath in river Saryu and waited for a boatman to take them across the river so that they could proceed further. This is question number 1. I am holding it. So children, this part question answer I have discussed, and I have shown you in the classwork, that is in the copy you will do. Now this part, homework, fill in the blanks, and this part, page number 7, homework, this B and C. Next day I will discuss this part and then start the new chapter, the learning circle. Okay, the learning circle. I hope you all have understood what are the classwork and the homework. Classwork, we have discussed the question answer, and I have shown you the writing. If any problem, you are most welcome to ask me in the comment box. You can most welcome to ask, or I will do the revision work. And for today, and bye bye, and stay safe, stay blessed.